Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. And today I will show you how to edit a PDF with Microsoft Word. So let's get started now. So I'm here on the website with a certificate, but if you have any PDF, this is for me to show you that I'm going to download the PDF from the internet. Then I will edit it and we will be able to input whatever we want from this PDF. Okay, it's a new feature with the latest Windows Word, and I hope it's helpful to you. So I download it, I save it in my save folder. As you can see, it's here. I opened it now. I open Word also. Now I put Word on the side. If you want to know how I did that, you can look in the description. I will put the video I did about it down below. Now we are done. I'm just going to select a file and drop it into Word. Now you have this appears. This means simply that Word will process your PDF file, try to convert. It might take a while, and basically they are going to try to make it editable for you. So of course I will press OK, but I wanted to explain to you the process that Microsoft is doing. This is another one explaining that PDF reflow, there is some feature Microsoft Word cannot support, so it will try its best. In the meantime, I minimize the original and we concentrate on the file itself. If you look here, I tried to type something, but it does not work. And there is a simple reason for that. It's because I didn't enable it. You just have to press the button here. Of course, another warning, just say yes, that's all. Alright, and now you can edit as whatever you wish. I'll show you, I can delete this here, like so. Or, if I want, I can add. This is a certificate that we are testing, and there it is. Now you can save. Alright, you can save as and decide where you want to save it and in which type you want to save it. So for me, I will just select this PC, download folder, and I will just press downloads. Alright, and it will save it there. There it is. So this is the file that we edit. This is the original here. And to show you that this was really the file that we edited, let me close this and I will show you now that going to my download folder, I can reopen it, and we have the one from the web here. Better tidy up, so otherwise you will be confused. The web is this one, make it full screen, like so. Thank you for watching, guys. You can do your YouTube things. If you like this video, you can press the thumb up, the subscribe button if you wish to, or even the bell icon. Like this, you will be notified when I put a new video out. However, if you do not like it, simply let me know why by leaving a comment down below. So stay safe, guys, and bye now.